Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a complete gate pass management system built using Microsoft Power App, SharePoint, and Power Automate. This solution helps companies to manage inward and outward material movement, vehicle entry tracking, and security approvals and gate operations digitally. In this system, we have two dedicated applications. The first app is for store managers and management teams, and the second is a mobile app for security teams. So first, let's see the store and management applications. On the dashboard screen, you can see the total gate pass records and live statistics like total pass issues, active outward materials, pending approvals, and overdue returnable materials. Now let's create a new gate pass. Here we select the pass type, inward or outward movement. Then we select whether the material is returnable or non-returnable. After that, we enter all required details like vehicle number, driver details, vendor name, contact person, approver email, request date, and return date. Now we click on next. In the next step, we add a material items. User can add unlimited material entries with item name, quantity, and details. Then we move to the document upload section where users upload invoices, delivery challans, or shipment related documents. After submitting the request, the gate pass goes for the manager approval. When the manager log in into the same application, they can approve and reject. These approval buttons are visible only for authorized managers. If the request get approved, the contact person automatically receive a email notification with the QR code gate pass. Now let's move to the security mobile app. At the gate, security staff simply scan the QR code using the mobile app. After scanning, they can instantly see all gate pass detail, including vehicle details, material information, and vendor details and approval status. Security team can also capture images of materials directly from the mobile app for verification and records. This system support unlimited image upload and display them in gallery format. After verification, security can allow entry, allow exit, or reject the vehicle directly from the app. On the home screen, security users can also see a today inwards, outwards, reports, pending exits, and gate activities. In the vehicle tab, user can monitor vehicle currently inside the premises and complete entries and pending returnable materials. This complete gate pass management software is built using Microsoft 365, including Power App, SharePoint, and Power Automate. It is simple, low cost, and scalable solution for companies looking for digitalize their gate pass process and security operations. If you want to customize this gate pass management system, vehicle entry management app, or security automation solution for your organization, let's connect and build together. And subscribe for more Power App solutions, business automation systems, and more videos.